In September 2018, the Computational Science Initiative at the U.S. Department of Energy's Brookhaven National Laboratory hosted its second Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU, Hackathon. For 5 days, GPU programming experts from national labs, universities, and technology companies trained teams on GPU programming techniques. Joseph Schoonover returned this year to moderate the event and provide some GPU resources.
I'm really here just to kind of make sure things move forward, make sure all the teams kind of remain unstuck. For me, it's really nice to stay at the cutting edge of the software and hardware that's available. Every time I've come to one of these things, I've learned a lot about kind of where this industry is heading and what we can do to try to catch people up.
Each team came with the goal to maximize the processing power of GPUs to reduce the discovery time in astronomy, particle physics, biology, and other scientific applications.
HP Music is a high-order CFD code. It helps predict fluid flow under many different regimes applicable to aerospace and aerothermal applications. Yeah, being here this week is allowing us to run simulations with more fidelity, more resolution, and resolve the physics that's important to lead to the next-gen designs.
Actually, I think it's a great opportunity. Last year I was here and then we got to optimize a genetic algorithm and it has been useful in my research. So I think this is a great opportunity to be able to get good code working and get good help from the mentors that the Hackathon provides us.
At the Hackathon, teams work to improve their codes while overcoming various programming challenges along the way.
And those tiny things, those little things that maybe that they couldn't, those little hurdles that they just didn't know how to get over, or maybe would take a day or two to answer via email, we can do instantly in 5 minutes and get them moving on and progressively on. So it seemed that it was a much more valuable use of our time, instead of doing the one-day lecture, to be able to actually interact with them and move them forward and get them onto the GPU.
By the end of the week, many teams had significantly decreased the computation times needed to run their programs.
So because of this hackathon, what would have taken us months to figure out on our own, with the help of experienced experts in these tools, we've compressed months of work into just a few days.
Not only were the participants able to improve their code during the week, but they also gained valuable knowledge and skill sets by interacting with everyone in the room.